Hey guys, my name is Shivashankar Kamath. Welcome to Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy. This is how most people live. Most people are living today almost the same way they lived yesterday. Connecting with your purpose allows you to live forward toward your goals and dreams. If you are not doing this, then you are unconsciously living today as a repeat of yesterday. Whether you are a student or an adult, you are in a school or college or office, everyone tells you to get up early in the morning. Why? If you overcharge your mobile, the mobile battery will become weaker and weaker and it will start discharging. Similarly, if you sleep more, you will be less energetic. If you get up late after sunrise, you feel less energetic. If you sleep less, then also you will feel less energetic. So, what should be the correct sleep pattern? Studies have proven that the early to bed and early to rise is the best sleep pattern to implement. In this video, you will learn more about how to practice this new habit and also the benefits you are going to enjoy if you wake up early in the morning. Stay tuned till the end of this video to learn more interesting facts about this new habit. The early morning has gold in its mouth. It keeps you healthy, wealthy, and wise. It keeps you energetic, resourceful, and mindful throughout the day. Most of the successful people get up early in the morning as it gives them to head start and make them feel more powerful throughout the day. So everyone already knows that getting up early is beneficial, but the big question is how to implement that. Is it really a tough job? One of the important steps to take is sleep early. But how to start this practice all of a sudden? Don't worry. What you can do is simple. Before you go to sleep, write down at least 5 things to do next day. Schedule them and keep the book near to your bed so that you can remember those 5 things to do as soon as you wake up. Fix a time between 4 am to 6 am and to wake up by that time. Keep your alarm away from your bed so that you need to jump out of the bed, need to walk and go to the alarm to shut it down. By the time you reach the alarm, you are already up and away from your bed. This also helps you to quickly break your sleep. Never hit the snooze button and go to bed again, because this is your first decision of the day. You need honor and respect. If you don't honor and respect your decision, who else will honor and respect your decision? This is very important thing to remember. So brush your teeth and drink sufficient water so that you will be completely out of sleep. Take some cold bath if you can. Do some exercise and meditate for few minutes. Your subconscious mind should be first convinced why you have to wake up early. Come up with a strong reason. For example, if you have to catch next day early morning flight, then your mind will be totally convinced that you need to wake up early in the morning. Similarly, have strong reasons like your meetings, business, health, or whatever that will immensely support your larger goal to achieve. Have some role model whom you respect the most will inspire you to wake up early. You will enjoy being with nature, the quietness, peace, the beauty of sunrise when you get up early. Remember, the nature is the best friend, best doctor, and the best philosopher to help in leading our life with the full of happiness. During the daytime, avoid taking energy drinks like coffee, tea, soda, or soft drinks so that you will have better sleep pattern. Avoid taking the nap during the day. It really affects your sleep cycle. There is a saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed. So ask one of your friends to help you to wake up early. The whole intention here is to turn this new practice into your new habit. Do this new habit at least for 30 days without interruptions. Thereafter, you don't even need an alarm to wake you up early. Initially, you may feel tired because you slept little less number of hours, but do not get discouraged. On that night, you will automatically get the sleep early. This is how your body will compensate the lack of sleep, if any. So the second day will be much easier for you to wake up by the same time. Do not use gadgets like mobile, tab, or laptop at least 30 minutes before you go to sleep. The blue light radiation from the gadgets control the production of melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone in your body that controls your sleep. The blue light from the devices reduces the production of melatonin. This will affect your circadian rhythm, that is your body clock or biological clock. Initial couple of days you can read books or listen to audiobooks before you go to bed. Initially it may be very difficult for you for a couple of days to practice this new habit, but do it for at least 30 days with a strong willpower. After 30 days it will not be difficult for you to continue this new habit. Surprisingly, you don't even need an alarm to wake you up. One of the good habits of successful people is they get up early early morning between 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. before sunrise. Do you know why you have to get up early in the morning? Do you know what are the benefits you will enjoy? If you cultivate the habit of getting up early in the morning, you will become a new person. You will have new sense of clarity and purpose for your life. Number 1, positive outlook. Healthier body and mind creates positive outlook. Number 2, more energy. Better sleep pattern creates more energy in you. Number 3, body system reboot. Your immune system gets refreshed and energized. Number 4, you become more organized. Number 5, you will have healthier eating habit. Number 6, you will have more peace and solace. Number 7, you will have enough time for breakfast. Number 8, you will have better brain function. Number 9, it keeps you away from lifestyle diseases such as obesity, thyroid, and polycystic ovarian syndrome are caused due to stress, lack of exercise, and poor diet. Getting proper sleep can actually relax your body and also help in the normal production of hormones. Proper sleep cycles are required in the overall smooth functioning of all the organs of the body. Number 10, you will have easier commutes as you get less traffic early in the morning. Number 11, you will have more family time. Number 12, you will have extra time during the day. Number 13, physical fitness. You will have better health. People who wake up early tend to eat breakfast. Your skin looks healthy. The healthy skin is the reflection of your physical fitness. You will have more time to exercise. Number 14, mental fitness. You will have better focus and concentration. Number 15, more productivity. Your mind remains calm, clean, efficient, and attentive throughout the day. It boosts quickness in you. You will take less time to do more work. Number 16, your mind will be more focused and attentive. You will become better and better in planning and taking decisions. Number 17, better sleep quality. Early risers automatically or effortlessly go to sleep early. Number 18, reduce stress level. Number 19, more confident and strong willpower. Number 20, you will build long-lasting and powerful relationships. Number 21, bigger scores. Studies have shown that students who are early risers scored better grades than those who were late to rise. Number 22, you will speed up and fast achieve your goals. You will have time to connect with yourself, your purpose, and your higher power. Every day you feel is a blessing from the higher power, and you consider every day a new beginning. Yes, everything is beautiful. You live consciously and your response will be proactive and not reactive. You will live with intention and creation rather than consumption. You will try to make difference in the world rather than having the world happen to you. Brighter world. Getting up early instills you with positivity. People who get up early are happier and happier. Happier not just for a short duration but overall in life. When you wake up early in the morning and get your body moving and connect with your massive transformative purpose of your life, then you start moving forward. You are living your life in a direction. You have a purpose. You have an intention. Therefore, you have a clarity and clearly defined direction. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching our videos. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Wishing you all the best.